Hello, today I want to show you a few new features for this sales planning app. This is the dashboard. You can see the selected plans in the top navigation list and in this right column where you can also change your selections. The dashboard gives you a good overall view. You can see where you're at, change settings and visualize the impact. The dark blue colored numbers mark the base plan, and the lighter blue ones the comparison plan. In my case, I have 3 KPIs: sales volume, quantity, and price per item. I can now quickly switch between different KPIs or change the visualization. Now I'm changing my worksheet to have a look at the planner. One of the most common use cases for the dual KPI feature is a sales planning scenario. I can play around with sales strategies, make any changes and see the direct impact through different financial distribution algorithms. There's always one KPI blocked, so these numbers can't be altered and will stay static. If, as example, I want to know how much revenue North gets if we sell 1,000 more items, I can just add 1,000 to the quantity and the revenue adjusts itself. Or I could add 20% revenue just to John and 30% revenue to the region South. Thanks to the bottom-up and top-down logic, every layer is adapted proportional to their previous distribution. To change the locked KPI, I just have to set a different one in the settings. Here I can even add a new customer in the sales planning app. I just have to select the relevant dimensions and fill out the rest, save it, and the new customer is good to go. Separate from the data graphics, there's also something different about this app. What you see here is part of the approval workflow. All the data in this table is not approved or confirmed. That is why these numbers differ from the ones above. If I want to confirm my data, I just have to switch to the next worksheet, Planning Completion. Here I can confirm data and it will appear on the next worksheet to be approved. But not everyone has access to this worksheet. The planning, approval and administration sheets are just accessible and visible to me as an administrator. When I switch to a different user, those special sheets are gone. I can configure who has access and who doesn't in the administration sheet. I could also disable John, so he doesn't have the full access, or make him manager again. This worksheet also lets me freeze and disable whole plans and periods. To summarize it, this is a great way to work and keep up with your business. You can have an overall view at the dashboard, and the visualizations help to see variations and effects like best and worst case scenarios. The planner, besides adding new budgets, lets you stage different business strategies, add customers, and overall play around with the different KPIs. And last but not least, the two-stage approval workflow sets clear boundaries and helps to avoid messy datasets.